Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Hot Wheels Mega Mat. This is over 3.5 feet wide and 2.5 feet tall. It comes with this really fun vehicle. I can't wait to open it up and check it out. This is the Radical Racer. I love the colors. Look at the bright green wheels. Look at all the exhaust pipes. And I love the flames. You can see the ears and the rat's face. Wow, what a great playmat! There's a place where they're tuning up cars. There's a stunt area. Wow, there's a dirt track for bikes. There's a tunnel, a car wash and a construction area, a racetrack, and so much more. Wow, our race car loves racing around all the tracks. Wow, there's lots of different things you could do with this fun playmat. Let's bring in some more vehicles. Our car transporter has brought us so many fun cars. I love seeing all the different kinds of cars. Look at all the fun colors. There are so many fun different vehicles here. We have so many fun cars. There goes the car transporter. Time for some stunts. Go, go, go! Watch out for the mighty machine! Woohoo! This is so cool! I love this bulldozer launcher! Whoa! Time to go to the repair shop. Yay, let's go! We love this ramp! Wow! Let's go! It's the Sky Blast base! Whoa, look at that! Here comes the airplane! Hurry, hurry, hurry! It's so fun! This is so cool! Let's go! Wow, there are so many fun things we can do with all these Hot Wheels vehicles and this fun Hot Wheels playmat. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.